Tissue, okay. What
Food
else?
color.
Food
Food
color,
color.
okay. What else?
Water.
Water, alright. Now do you
With
see?
cup.
This
Cup.
is glass jar. This is a jar.
Jar.
We are going to do the experiment called transfer. We are going to put water into one jar and leave one jar empty. Okay, that's okay. It's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. Do you see water here?
No.
Okay. Right here. Put it here. Okay. Money. Ready.